TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, 10 a.m., Tiger Financial News Network update. And we're looking at the Dow down 43 at 33,402 on this Thursday, April the 8th. And we're waiting to see what happens because we were anticipating the Chapman wave methodology. It's when you get to that fourth highest peak, peak D, that other things can happen. It's where you have to wait a little bit. Yellow light flashes. So we hit 33,617 4 sessions ago. We haven't taken that out. But look at this. We were waiting for the S&P to do it. And what did the S&P do? It's right now at an all-time high at 4090.61. It hit 4089.95 leg D in the Chapman wave methodology. That just says, at this point, the buy mode is complete. You can go higher, but that was the objective, to get you to the fourth highest peak. You're at that fourth highest peak. MACD and stochastic are really strong. So all it says is, moment of caution. Let's see what happens here. Look at the QQQ. The index 100 had a big gap up. It's up 344, 335. It's in leg D. Here we are again, but it's under the all-time high of 338.19, really close to testing that. Here's the cup formation or V-shaped formation in the weekly chart. I'll be discussing that in my show, the Tiger Ignitions Hour, coming up in a few minutes. Very next show coming up. 220.55 is the IWM. It's fading. I'm going to talk about how we've seen a rotation through the different sectors with a pretty serious decline in some of them. Percentage-wise, are now trying to come back. And, of course, gold. We've got to look at gold. Gold is up $14. This is good action. It's above the previous arch high. I'm going to talk about that in my show coming up. And look at this. The dollar made a peak D. Remember, peak Ds where other things can happen? Yep. Peak D, doji candle at 93 for the index, 93.44 on the 31st. And here we are trading just a little low at 92.18. But it's enough to say there's a sell mode in the daily. Weekly is still strong, but it is in leg D, a peak D potential this week. We'll talk about the TLT. That's really important. That is bonds. Bonds are rising just a little bit. And we'll talk about what will happen with yields. I'll be back for my show, and check out my newsletter, The Opening Call. And I'll be doing a webinar a week from today. Check it out, front page of TFNN. Be back in a few minutes. Hope to see you then. Otherwise, tomorrow, same time,